Hi, I'm Darlene and I'm going to talk about refunds. If you need to issue your customer a refund, you can do this from the Payments Hub. Let me show you how this is done. From the Payments Hub, select Transactions. Before I show you how to issue a refund, let me explain the difference between void and refunds. If you haven't been paid out for the order yet, void will be an option that you can use so your customer doesn't get charged and you won't pay any transaction fees. If you have been paid out, then you'll see refund. The good news is we make it easy for you to know which option to use. If you locate the transaction you want to refund, click the ellipses and you'll get a menu. If you see void in that dropdown, use that to void the order. If you see refund, then you know you've been paid and that's how to proceed. Let's walk through the complete process for an order we're going to refund. Click Refund. The refund transaction box displays with the amount of the order in the box. If you're refunding the entire order, then you're good to go. If you're doing a partial refund, then enter that amount in the box. When things look good, click the button to issue the refund. A pop-up displays making sure you want to refund the transaction. Click OK. You'll return to the transaction details page and see a message that says Success. It can take up to 30 minutes to update on the transactions page. That's it. That's how you issue a refund. Refunds can take 5 to 7 business days to show up on a customer's credit card. If your customer hasn't received the funds within that time frame, advise them to contact their credit card company. I'm Darlene, and I'll catch you later.